Hi everyone and welcome to Learn Fun English channel. Have you ever felt nervous ordering food at a restaurant in English? Don't worry. Today we'll teach you how to speak like a pro. From greeting the staff to paying the bill, you'll learn essential phrases to make your dining experience smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started. First, let's start with greetings and getting seated.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good evening. A table for one, please.
Of course. Right this way, please.
Thank you.
Here's your seat. Your server will be with you shortly.
Thanks a lot.
Here are some key phrases. Next, let's look at the menu. If you need help, you can say,
Here's the menu. Take your time.
Thank you.
If you need help, just let me know.
Sure. If I need help, I'll say, Can you help me with the menu, please?
Absolutely. I'll be right over if you need anything.
Here are some key phrases. Now, let's place an order with confidence.
I'm ready to order.
Wonderful. What would you like today?
I'd like the grilled chicken with vegetables, please.
Sure. Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Got it. One grilled chicken with vegetables and a glass of water.
That's right.
Your order will be ready shortly. Enjoy your meal.
Here are some key phrases. During your meal, you might need something extra. Here's how to ask politely.
Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
Could I have some extra napkins, please?
Of course. I'll bring them right away.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Here are some key phrases. Now, let's wrap up the meal smoothly. When you're ready to leave, say,
Excuse me, could I get the bill, please?
Of course. Here you go. Will you be paying by cash or card?
By card, please.
No problem. Just tap or insert your card here.
Done. Thank you. The food was delicious.
You're welcome. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Here are some key phrases. And don't forget to thank your server.
Thank you for the great service. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. Come again soon. Goodbye.
Here are some key phrases. Now it's your turn. Practice these phrases aloud. Try role-playing with a friend or even record yourself speaking. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. That's it for today. Now you're ready to enjoy dining out with confidence. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice in real-life situations. See you next time.